So the first question is there, right in front of you. Tell me, how would you like to proceed? How would you like to proceed?
Sir, we can use component or dividend.
Yes, component or dividend we can use. Okay, but I'm personally not that good with that concept. Okay, they're just so much confusing to me, right? So what I guess we do is that the denominators, first we add the denominators to the numerator and then we add the denominator again to the denominator, right? If that is the thing. But my way is slightly different. Okay, my way is to think of some numbers a and b, which when placed over here, we get rid of roots. Can you think of such numbers?
Yes. You have to tell a number, so
Yes, two numbers, a and b.
5 and 4.
Exactly. Let's take a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4. And let's see how exactly x changes. X becomes 5 plus
4.
Okay. Instead of taking 4, shall we take 2?
Yes, sir. Next.
Okay. One moment. Yeah. Shall we take one moment? Why is eraser not working? Yeah. So we will take instead of 4, 2. Okay. Then 2 into 2, it will become 4. Right. So 5 minus, shall we write 4? How this 4 came? It's 2 into 2. Okay. 5 plus 4 minus 5 minus 4. Okay. So how much is this value? X is equal to, how much is this? Root 9. It is 3. And this is 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Divided by root 9. Okay. 3 minus 2. Right. 3 minus 1.
Yes, sir. 2.
2. So what is the value of x? 2. Okay. Now bx square minus ax plus b. B is how much? 2. X square is how much? 2 square minus ax minus a and x plus b. Okay. 2 square 4 into 2 8. 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 10. How much is that?
0.
0. Which one is the correct answer option, guys?
Option A, sir.
Option A is the correct answer option. Okay. Lokesh, Matesh, and Muilan, did you guys understand it? Did you guys get it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. It's this easy. Let's not complicate it. Okay. Our only goal is to get the correct answer and just keep moving. Okay. Keep moving to the next question. Yes, this one. Let me know what you think about this question. 4 raised to the power x, 2 raised to the power y is equal to 120x. And 3 raised to the power 3x, 3 raised to the power 2y minus 3 raised to the power xy is equal to 0. It's 9, not 3. We all know 128 is some power of x. Okay, some power of x. Sorry, 2. Right? Can we write this as 2 raised to the power 2x into 2y is equal to 2 raised to the power what?
7.
7. Okay. Mulan, Matesh, is it clear how we have got 2 raised to the power 7? It's 7 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Right? And we know this property of a raised to the power x and a raised to the power y. How exactly it works out? 2 raised to the power 2x plus y is equal to 2 raised to the power 7. Which means what? These two power will have to be the same. Which means 2x plus y is equal to 7. Right, guys? Now let's try to solve it here. 3 raised to the power 3x plus 2y. Can we write it like this? 9 raised to the power xy. We have just taken this minus 1 to the right hand side. That's it we have done. Is it clear up till now?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? 2y, 9 can be represented in the form of 2xy, isn't it? Can we do that?
Yes,
Which
sir.
means what? 3 raised to the power 3x plus 2y is equal to 2xy, right? No, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we have two equations, 1 and 2. Two equations and two variables. Can we find the value of x plus y? Can we find the x plus y? Okay, let's take the first option. 7 can be written in the form of, let's try not. Okay, yes. What we can do is that we can also solve this one also. But let's just try now what happens if the value of 2 is x and the value of y is 3. Okay, will it satisfy this equation? I mean 2 into 2 plus 3. Remember guys, this idea, this thought of being able to think of such numbers will come with practice. Is it satisfying the first equation? Yes, it is. Now the second equation is 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, right? Which means 6 plus 6 is 12 and 3, 6, 12. Second equation is also working out, right? I just took a random number, honestly. I just took a random number, 2 and 3, by just look and feel of it. So which answer option is correct, guys? Which answer option is correct?
Option B, sir.
Yes, option B is correct. Okay. Option B is correct, or otherwise, you can do what you can do is that if you want, you can solve this equation as well. Okay, let us try to solve this equation. Okay, 2x plus y is equal to 7. Okay, and 3x plus 2y is equal to 2xy, right? Okay, now if we divide by xy, what happens? Divide by xy. That means 3 by y plus 2 by x is equal to 2, right now?
Yes.
Right now. Or otherwise, if you do not want to do this, let's say it is getting very cumbersome over here. What we can do is that we can find the value of y. Okay. Just try to y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Let's just try to put in over here. 3x plus 2 into y is equal to 7 minus 2x. It's equal to 2 into x into 7 minus 2x, which is equal to 3x plus 14 minus 4x is equal to 14x minus 4x. 4x square. Right, guys? Now can you solve for x and find out the value of x, and then you will get some value of x is equal to 2, and then you put it over here, x is equal to 2, which means y is equal to 4. Can you do that at your own end? Do you want me to do this calculation? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Muilan Mateshwaran, you know how to solve a equation, okay? A quadratic equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If we move all of it to the left hand side, what it will become? Let's say we are moving this one to the right hand side. It will become 4x square plus 3x minus 14x minus 4x plus 14 is equal to 0. Okay, which means 4x square, okay, minus 18 minus 15x plus 14 is equal to 0. Right, guys? X is equal to 2. This value will become 16. This value will become 30. This value will become 14. Okay. How much is that? It will eventually will give you 30. Can you guys solve it all by yourself? Tell me yes or no. For x, can you solve for x? Any one of you who cannot solve for x? Here, right? Solve for x, you will get the value of x is equal to 2. Put this in this equation, you will get y is equal to 3, not 4. Okay. Shall we move, guys? Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Sometimes when you guys don't talk, I'm just, wonder whether or not they have understood or not what has happened, this and that, this and those. Okay, like that. Yes, yes, guys. This one, x is equal to 2 raised to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 raised to the power minus 1 by 3. They have given. Okay, and they have asked what is the value of 2x cube minus 6x minus 5. Yes. Can you think of something, guys? Can you think of something? They have asked us to find x cube. Shall we first do the x cube right over here itself? 2 raised to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 raised to the power minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Is it in the form of a plus b whole cube? Which means what? A cube, right? Right. Plus 3ab into a plus b. All of you know the formula, right? A plus b whole cube. What is the formula, guys? Tell me. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is your formula. Is it clear, guys? Can we cancel out these two?
Yes.
Can we cancel out these two? Okay. So which means 2 plus 2 raised to the power minus 1. Or if you want to write, you can also write it like this. Okay. 2 raised to the power minus 1 is this. Both are same. Doesn't, make much of a difference. Guys, pay a very sharp attention over here, just in case I make any calculation mistake. Okay. So this is the value of your x cube. This is the value of x cube, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
And now we need to do what? We need to find 2x cube minus 6x minus 5. Okay. So 2 into 2 plus 2
Sir,
raised to, yes.
why don't we make the equation out of this, sir?
What equation will you make?
We have to take the 2 inverse by making 1 by 2 and take the LCM. After that, we can cross multiply to that x cube. It will give 2x cube is equal to 4 plus 1.
You are
Plus-
saying like this?
Yes, sir.
How will you solve this? Tell me. After that,
After the making the x cube, we have finally arrived with the equation, right?
yes, this value.
After that, next
Okay,
line.
this value. Yeah.
The 2 inverse has to be written like 1 by 2 and we take the LCM.
Yeah, you can do that. You can do that. That's not a big deal. It's your choice. We are just doing that in a hope that our calculation will be a little easy. Right. 2 inverse is nothing but your 1 by 2. That's it. Okay. And 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 5 by 2. You can simply write 5 by 2. Not a big deal. Your choice. Right. Okay. Plus 2 raised to the power minus 1 by 3. Right. That means 2x cube we have written minus of 6 into x. X is how much? 2 raised to the power 1 by 3. Pay attention, guys, and please let me know if I make any calculation error by any mistake. Okay. And now we use the eraser. Use the eraser to erase all this. 1 second, guys. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to solve. Now we need to solve this. Yeah. And how will you solve this? Let's just try not 2 into
The answer is 0.
yes, 4 plus, this is 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 plus minus 1, 0. Okay. So 2 into 2 raised to the power minus 1 plus 6 into 2 raised to the power. The answer will be 0, but how we are reaching there? Okay. That's my concern. Okay. Minus of 6 raised to the power 2, 1 by 3 plus 2 raised to the power minus 1 by 3 minus 5. Okay. This got cancelled with this, right? And this value is what? 1. This value is 1, guys.
Yes.
2 into 2 raised to the power minus 1. Okay, that means 2 into 1 by 2. 1, or otherwise, if you want to multiply, if you want to use formula, over here 1 is hidden. 1 plus minus 1 plus minus minus, that means 2 raised to the power 0, which will essentially give you 1. Which one is the correct answer option, guys? Which one is the correct answer option, guys?
Option A, sir.
Option A. Yes, Lokesh, Mateshwaran, all of you. Is it clear?
Sir,
Yes.
we can easily arrive a step. Can I tell that?
Sorry? Yeah. Tell me.
We don't need to apply that x cube value, sir. We can take that equation from out of that last line we got, sir.
This line. We need to do this x cube, right? We
X
need to.
cube is equal to 2. 1 by 3 won't be this, sir. 1 by 3 won't be.
Yeah.
We have after that we arrive on final equation, right?
Yeah, and that will be x cube, right? That will be 2 plus 2 raised to the power minus 1 plus 3. It will be like this, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Here we have to write 2 inverses 1 by 2, sir.
2 inverses 1 by 2. Okay. Let's say, yeah.
Then we have to take LCM, sir.
One moment. 1 by 2. It's all the more same only, buddy. Yeah. 1 by 2. What LCM do you want me to take?
We have to take LCM. So the 2 will become 4 and the 3 will become 6.
2 will become 4 and 3 will become 6. Yeah, it means pretty much the same, buddy. Right.
After that, the equation will come up easily, right? This will make easy, right?
Okay. That means you are saying 4 plus
1
plus 1.
Yes, 4 plus
By
1, 2 plus. So we can even take LCM for
No.
that also.
No, we cannot take.
We can, sir.
Okay.
By multiplying 2.
Okay, if we take an LCM, so that's like 5 plus 6 into 2. Yeah, we can take. Yeah, you're right.
Then we can replace that. We know the value of x equal to 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power minus 1 by 3. We have that, right? So we can replace it by x after the 6.
Yeah, ultimately it means the same only, because minus 6x is nothing but your minus of 6 into 2, 1 by 2 plus 2 raised to the power minus 1.
We can
Right,
replace that x, and we will, from there we can get the equation x cube minus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0 directly.
Yeah, I mean, look, it's pretty much the same. Okay, what you are saying is that we do it like this. Okay, 2 1 by 3, 2 1 by 3 divided by 2 minus 6x. I mean minus 6 into. Okay, 6 into.
Not like that, sir. Not like that.
Okay, then what?
We have to make it equal to because it's equal to x cube, right? This equation is equal to x cube.
Which equation? You have your annotation. Okay, one moment. Let me give you annotation. Annotation is on for you. Yeah, tell me. You can use your mouse. See, this is the value of 2x cube, right? Yes. Okay. Yes, this is the value of x cube. 2x cube is equal to 10 plus 12 into. Look, Abhikar, look. It's pretty much the same. Okay, it's pretty much the same. Right, buddy? It's pretty much the same. Are you guys understanding whether?
Sir,
yeah.
I'm saying that we no need to putting the values and make that 0. There will be a calculation error will happen. If we make the equation out of this, it will be easy. That's what I'm saying, sir.
Equation out of which?
This I will write, sir. Sir,
no, tell me. Yeah, this is the value of x cube. Okay, this whole is the value of x cube. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what equation will you make?
We have to multiply these two here, sir.
Which two?
This
This
two,
one
sir. Can you see
and
my
this two?
annotation? It will give 2x cube, and we have to write the remaining here. 5 plus 6x
Yeah,
Is it
yeah,
fine, sir?
yeah. Perfectly
Then
fine.
it
Yeah.
will give the equation which is equal to 0. So we need, there's no need to update these values and make the,
Buddy.
it will,
Look, the problem is 2x cube is equal to 5 plus 6x we can write. But
yes.
this we cannot write equal to 0. Because we don't know.
Sir,
We already have this. We already have this. We need to work out with this only.
if you take the 5 and my plus 6 uh, from to a single side, it will give equal to 0, right?
Unless you find out if it gives you 0, we cannot write it beforehand.
Sir, we didn't write it 0. It gives 0, sir.
Yeah, I know. I know in this question it eventually turns out to be 0. But then
Yes.
what you are doing is that you are doing the same old thing. Okay. You are just moving these two part to the right hand side of the equation. Okay. And that's all pretty much the same. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It's all the same. We cannot make any equation out of it. Okay. It's an expression. Okay. 2x cube minus 6x minus 5 is not an equation. Had they given is equal to 0, then it was an equation. Okay. When there is
Okay, sir.
no equal to sign given in between or anything, this is an equation. This number, this thing is equation.
Yes, sir.
Already given an equation. But this thing, this is not called equation. This is called expression.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I get your meaning. Okay. It's all the same as saying that 2 raised to the power 2 into minus 1. Okay. You are saying is that we can directly write 1. Yes, that's correct. Okay. But for the sake of understanding, sometimes we have to write it 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. Which is equal to 1. Or otherwise, if some people do not get it, we have to write, okay, bases are same. The powers will get added over 1 is hidden. That's why 1 minus 1, 0. So 2 raised to the power 0, 1. Okay. Sometimes we do it just for the sake of understanding. Okay. You can do it that way either. Okay. You can pull in 6x minus 6x minus 5 to the right hand side of the expression. Okay. Right. We cannot write it 2x cube minus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0. That we cannot assume because they have not given it. You are already assuming that this is equal to 0. Right.
I didn't assume, I just derived it from this.
Yeah, I mean, thankfully, this value is coming out to be 0. Just imagine had it not been 0, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's that way. I mean, we make this mistake. I can understand the mindset that you are having. Whenever we get this x square plus 5x plus 4, it's our natural tendency to assume this one as 0. Right. Whenever we see an equation, this is our intuition to equate that with 0. But we cannot, because this is not an equation. This is an expression. The equation sign is not there. This equal to sign is not there. Only when this equal sign is there, then only we can conclude this is an equation. Okay. Equation, equal. It comes from equal.
Yes, sir.
Expression means this is the way it has been represented, expressed. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
over here, the flaw is over here. We cannot assume is equal to 0. Thankfully, in this question, we are getting equal to 0. Yeah, that is our answer. Okay. And that is why when you are doing 2x cube minus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0. That means what? You already know it is equal to 0. Then why are we even doing all these sums? Just tick A and keep moving. Right now. Okay. That was a good discussion though. Yeah. Thank you so much. I hope others also understood it. Guys, yeah, this one. Now you tell me, shall we assume this x cube? Why is it not working? Shall we assume x cube plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, we cannot.
Yes, it's expression.
Yeah. Right. So the very first step over here is that x is equal to root 3 plus root 2. Just find the cube of it. Okay. How much is that? How much is that?
3 root 3 plus
A cube plus b cube plus 3 root 6. Can we write
yes.
root 6? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Into a plus b, right? This is the value of your x cube, right? Now what? 1 by x. Let's just try to work out with 1 by x. This is your 1 by x. Shall we factorize it? Shall we factorize it?
Yes, sir.
This is how we factorize. Over here, if it is plus sign, we put in a minus sign over here. Right now?
Yes, sir.
If you solve it, what will we get? Root 3 minus root 2, which is equal to 1 by x. Right? And what is the value of 1 by x whole cube? This is nothing but root 3 minus root 2 whole cube. That means root 3 whole cube plus root 2 whole cube. A cube plus b cube. How much is that? Plus 3ab or minus 3ab? Guys, plus 3ab or minus 3ab? Okay.
Minus.
Let's just assume if this is a plus. Okay. So minus 3 root 6 into, okay, this is the value, right? 1 by x is this value and 1 by x cube is this value. Just remember it all. Okay, we have x cube is this much. Don't worry, all of it will get cancelled. Okay, x cube is this much plus x plus 1 by x. Plus 1 by x means what? Root 3 minus root 2, right? This value plus 1 by x cube. That means root 3 raised to the power 3 plus root 2 square minus 3 root 3 6 into root 3 minus root 2, right? Can you guys please check the formula for a minus b whole cube? One moment, guys.
Sir,
Yes.
a minus b, the whole cube formula is to be a cube minus b cube. I think you a cube plus b.
A minus b whole cube is
A cube minus b cube, right?
one moment, a cube minus b cube. Yeah, over here minus b cube. Yeah, a cube minus b cube and over here plus a cube minus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Yeah, over here this minus sign will come, right? Rest all others are correct, right? No, rest all others are correct, guys. No, so over here what all things can get cancelled? This one gone, this one gone, these two gone onto a toss. This one gone, right? Right, guys? Okay, so root 3 cube. Root 3 cube means what? Root 3 cube means what? 3 root 3.
Yes.
Root 3 cube is how much? 3 root 3, no? Okay, this one is equal to 3 root 3 plus 3 root 18 plus 3 root 12 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus again 3 root 3 minus 3 root 18 minus plus 3 root 12. Okay, I think over here we should have got minus sign. Okay, we should have got minus sign over here, or is it correct, guys? Okay, so can Abhikan, can you please check if this formula is correct? This is my only conundrum over here. Have we written it correctly? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, right? Is it correct, guys? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus plus 3ab square. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so this and this gone on to a toss. Okay, which means what? How many root 3s are there? 1. That means 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 8. 8 root 3 plus 3, 3, 6 root 12. 6 root 12 means what? 6 root 12 means what? 4 into 3, Right now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are correct. We're going to the right direction. One moment, boys. Look, guys, the only thing I wanted to talk about in this type of question is that do not get frightened. Okay. Do not get frightened. Okay. And in examinations, you don't really have to do it this much elaborately. Okay. If you can do these calculations faster, that's much better, right? Which option answer is correct, guys? Now, Abhikaran, had you equated that with 0, this is an assignment for you. Equate that with 0 and see what happens.
Sir, I never wanted it to equal 0.
Yeah, it will go on to a toss. Right? Okay.
Sir.
So which answer option is correct? B, right?
Option B, sir.
Yes. Muilan, Mateshwaran, Lokesh, is it clear to you all? Is it clear to you all? Rest of you. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
I understood.
Muilan, Mateshwaran, you understood? Or slept?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
Okay, good. Yes, this one, easy one. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, guys. Yes, guys, easy one. Easy one, right? Tell the answer. If you're not doing this one, then it won't be a good thing. Yeah. 1 second, guys. Just close the door and come. These are all previous year questions. If you're not able to solve it, then you need to rethink about your prep.
Option A, sir.
Sorry?
Option A.
Okay. How about Lokesh? Lokesh.
Option yes.
Then Mateshwaran.
Yes, sir. So I think it's option yes, sir.
Why do you think you're not sure? Your
Yes, sure,
friends,
sir.
your friends told the answer and that's why you gave the answer. That's not right. Did you solve it by yourself? No, you are still in the event, I know. You got your girlfriend there or what? Still thinking.
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, no worries. Watch it here, okay? Look,
Yes, sir.
they have given x is equal to 91 divided by 216, right? This is what they have given and they want us to find the value of 3 minus 1 by 1 minus x raised to the power 1 by 3. Okay, we don't need to do anything, just put in the value of x. 1 minus 91 216 raised to the power 1 by 3. So 3 minus 1 by, what is this value? 1 minus 91 by 216, how much is that? To take the LCM, it's 216, right? 216 minus 91, which is equal to 5, and 21 minus 9 is how much? 12, right? 125 by 216, which means this one is nothing but 125 by 216 raised to the power 1 by 3. What is the meaning of raised to the power 1 by 3? 8 raised to the power 1 by 3. Mateshwaran, what is the value of this? What's the value of this, guys? What's the value of this? What is the value of this? Muilan, Mateshwaran, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
What is this? At least ask your friends. What is the value of this? 8 can be represented like this. 2 cube into 1 by 3. Sorry, raised to the power 1 by 3. And what did we study? A raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. These got cancelled. What is the value? 2. Right? Or otherwise, what we were supposed to find? We were supposed to find the cube root of 3. What is the, cube root of 8? What is the cube root of 8? That means what number is multiplied by itself 3 times to get this number? What is that number? Even if you are studying art subject, I'm pretty sure this much of elementary mathematics, everyone knows it. Okay. And CDS, the title of the paper is Elementary Mathematics. Okay. Elementary Mathematics. Up till 10th standard. Everyone has studied up till 10th standard, right? Mathematics up till 10th standard. Muilan, Mateshwaran, what did you study in 10th standard up till 10th standard? Did you study maths?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me what number what number which when multiplied by itself 3 times gives you 8? What is that number? Okay.
8, sir.
No, that number is 2. Okay. 2 multiplied by itself 3 times will give you 8. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I understand the sense that you were trying to make, but I was just trying to put it the right way. Okay. So what is this? 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. 216 is 6 into 6 into 6. Yes or no? 1 by 3 means what? We need to find the cube root. That means we need to make the triplet. So out of these 3, can we take out 1 each? Can we take out 1 each? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Do you guys have any problem, issues, concern, queries, pain, heartache, or anything? No, that was a big word. Okay, we'll talk about this later. Maybe sometimes after your recommendation when you give me party, right? Sir, come on in, let's have a whiskey or something, right? But still, that's like 2 years away from. You won't get that in academy. Not officially. Yes. Do you guys have any problem? Any queries, any concern, any doubt, any lacunae, any hiatus? All of you got it? How did we do it? Yes or no? If no, tell me, I'll tell you again. Yes or no, guys? Boys. Yes or no? Unless you say I won't move.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Moil and Mateshwan, what do you think? Shall we move to the next question?
Sir.
But I want you to do it in the examination. Not just saying, yes, sir.
Sure.
Do this one. Who is this Priyanka NK? Some singer, right? Anyways. She's beautiful though. Oh, okay. I'll cut this one. Yeah, don't worry. Yes, guys.
Option B, sir.
Option B. Okay. We'll evaluate that. What do you think, Abhikaran?
I'm also thinking that option B.
Okay. There are only 3 numbers, that is root 2, quad root of 6, and cube root of 4. Okay. This can also be written as 2 raised to the power 1 by 2. This can also be written by 6 raised to the power 1 by 4. And 4 can also be written as 4 raised to the power 1 by 3. Right. What is the LCM of 2, 4, and 3? LCM is 12. Can we multiply this number with the power? Boys, be quick. We need to finish off this chapter today. Otherwise, we'll finish off this syllabus post-exams. You don't want me to do that, right? 6 times. Sorry, this one. 3 times. 4 times. This 2 raised to the power 6. This 6 raised to the power 3. 4 raised to the power 4. How much is this value, guys? How much is this value? 256, 216, 64. Which one is the lowest? Root 2 is the lowest. Why did you think like root 2? Okay, one moment. Did I do any mistake? 12. Yes, guys. Which one is the smallest? Root 2 is your smallest. Then comes this one. Then comes this one. Which answer option is correct? Which answer option is correct? It's A, guys, and not B. Right? It's A, not B. We can do this. We can multiply the powers with one particular number, but that multiplication has to be done with all the numbers and not just one, right? Right? So 2 raised to the power 6 we got from here. We got 6 cube from here, and 4 raised to the power 4 we have got from here, right? So that is how we have got, the smallest one is this. Correspondingly, root 2 is the smallest. Then 216 correspondingly this one is the smallest. And 256, this one is the biggest number. And that is why answer option A is correct, guys. Shall we move on to the next question, guys? Yes or no? Come on, guys. Don't
Yes,
behave
sir.
like dumb guys. Yeah, tell me the answer. We have 27 question. We are at question number 7. I'm not solving this over here. You got to get me the answer. The difference of consecutive two consecutive cubes. Two consecutive cubes. Let's just take ABC. Two consecutive cubes. Let's take 4, 5. Okay. Let's not take good big numbers. Let's take like this. What is the cube? What is the cube? What is the cube? Cube, cube, and cube. What is the difference? Difference means 27 minus 8 or 8 minus 17. The absolute value, the mod value, absolute value. Okay. 19, 7, 61.
Second one.
Yes, sorry about that. I was just, got engrossed. Yes, option C is damn sure not there. Option A is also not there. Is odd or even. We are only getting even. Let's take another number. Two consecutive cubes. Let's take 6 and 7. 6 cube is 216. 7 cube is 343. How much is that? 7. Again, it's an odd number. Odd number means what? It will be divisible by what? By 2 or not? Not divisible by 2. Right, guys? Is it clear? Is it clear? We don't have any set formula to that. You need to derive it. We have taken 4 different instances. If you find a cube, the difference of 2 consecutive cubes to be an even number, come to me. I'll change this answer. Okay? Okay, guys. Shall we move? Shall we move, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You need to say. Yeah, everyone knows it. Tell what is the answer. I've told you during the concept session also. 4 consecutive natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1. 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1. 3, 4, 5, 6. Why am I taking all these smaller numbers? Because it's a less headache on my head for me to calculate. I can take 1001 into 1002 into 1003 into 1004. I do not have 2 fucking entire hour to solve this question alone in the paper. I have 100 different questions. 99 also different questions. Right? That's why we have taken all the smaller numbers. Right? 3 cases, enough. Conclude it. That's correct. How much is this number? 25. How much is this number?
120.
121. How much is this number?
361.
361. Is 121 a square number?
11.
Is 5?
Yes. 19.
What is the 19 square? Which answer option is correct?
C, sir.
Yes. The answer option is correct. It will always be a square. Okay. Even if you find out, pick up your calculator. Pick up your calculator, find out what is this value. Thankfully, my calculator did not say E. This value is 1010035050. Let's get a little bit more mad. And what day is today? Do you guys know it? What day is today? How? Looks
Okay.
beautiful. Okay. One moment. So open this one. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Calculator is not working anymore. I like the graffiti on my screen. One moment. Okay. It's already pi they have given. What is there? Let's play it. Okay. Pi 3.14. Okay. Anyways, root under 1010 03025 equal to. Look, it's a perfect square, guys. Okay. It's a perfect square.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move on to the next question?
Yes, sir. Today is Pi Day, sir. That's why the Pi is in the calculator.
Yeah, International Mathematics Day. Yes. Think about this one. When a ball bounces, how does a ball bounces? It rises to 2/3 of the height from which it fell. If the ball is dropped from the height of 36 meters, how high will it rise at the third bounce? Ball dropped from here. This is the ground. This is how it will look like.
Yes, sir.
Right now. I mean, not, it won't go below the ground. Ball will be here, ball will be here, ball will be here, ball will be here. Okay, likewise. Okay. It has been dropped from the height 36 meters. At the first bounce, it will reach of the height 36 into 2 by 3, right? I mean, this height, let's say, let's call it A and let's call it B. AB will be this much, right? At the first bounce. Now at the second bounce, same scenario will happen, right now.
Yes, sir.
How high it will rise at the third bounce? At first bounce, this was the case. Second bounce, again, this was the case. Third bounce, again, this will be the case. 4 times gone. How much is that? 4, 8, 16, 32 divided by 3. How much is this value, guys?
10 2 by 3.
10 and 2 by 3. Which answer option is correct?
Yes, sir.
B. Moilan, Mateshwaran, Tarun, Lokesh. Yeah. Got it?
Yes, sir.
If you did not get it, you can tell me that you did not get it. I'll tell you again. Okay. Let's move on to the next question, guys. Yeah, this one. I want an answer to the question. The hint is express 8 and 16 in the form of express 8 and 16 in terms of. Well, guys, they have given 16 into 8 raised to the power n plus 2 is equal to 2m. 16 is how much? 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 3 into n plus 2. Right? It's not 3n plus 2. It's 3 into n plus 2. That means 4 plus 3 into n plus 2, which is equal to m. How much is this? 6. Are you guys really this dumb? Come on. Say something, boys.
3m plus 10 is equal to m, sir.
Yes.
Option D, sir.
Yes. Or did you guys eat Banarsi pan? That you guys are unable to speak. Your mouth is so full. Or some, pan masala. Any one of you eat that? Okay. You can tell me in personal chat. No problem. D is your answer, right? Shall we move? Yeah, I mean, there was a time, I was like, some people, my friends, they were like, going to some pan masala shop and they were like, Rajnigandha. That was the case. And they used to find it so cool. I don't know. What the heck is that? Yeah. Yes, you don't have to solve this question. It's a theory-based question. It's a theory-based question. Which answer option is correct? Look, it's not a natural number, right? It's not a natural number. A is damn sure wrong. B, integer also not possible. It's root 2, right? Okay, root 2 into root 2, okay? Which means what? 2 raised to the power 1.414 into 1.414 into 1.414, right? What type of number is this, guys? Is it even a rational number? No, it's not a rational number. Why? Because it's root 2, right? The correct answer option over here is D. Real number. And what are real numbers? Are the correction of all the rational plus irrational number. D is your answer option, guys. Cool. Shall we move? Don't get me stuck with all these idiotic questions, guys. Yeah, solve. I'll also solve it with you. 10 plus root gone on to a toss. This will become square. 16 minus 10. What is the value of x? Sorry, it's 6. What is the value of x, guys?
216, sir.
216. Anyone over here who did not get it? All of you got it?
Sir.
Okay, cool. Yes, 196 x raised to the power 4 is equal to x raised to the power 6. X cube is equal to what? They have asked. Okay. So 196 is equal to x square, right? That means x is equal to 14, right? No, x is equal to 14, right?
Yes, sir.
Then they're asking what is x cube. What is x cube, guys? By looking at the answer, option D is 14x square. 14 is what? X cube. That's it. Which answer
Yes,
option
sir.
is correct?
Option D, sir.
Right? Don't even
Yes, sir.
have to calculate. I'll move a little fast. Guys, don't answer. Yes. Tell me. A raised to the power x is equal to b. B raised to the power y is equal to 6. X, y, z is equal to 1. What is the value of c raised to the power z?
Sir, sir, we have to substitute that value. Like we have to find that c power z, right? So
Yes.
we can replace the c by b y. So which gives b power y power z. Sir, are you getting?
One moment. Yes. What we are telling Abhikaran? Yep.
Answer is A, sir.
Option A is you are telling. Right?
Yes, sir.
X, y, and z is equal to 1. Right? X, y, z is equal to 1 you are telling, right? So A raised to the power x is equal to b. Right? 1 second, guys. 1 second. Yes, guys. So x, y, z is equal to 1. Okay, right. Can we take some values?
Sir,
Let
we
us-
can simply substitute the each value inside of it, sir. Like we
Yeah.
need to find c power z, right?
Yes. So let's take A is equal to 2. Okay. Let's take A is equal to 2 and x is equal to
Sir,
also.
sir.
Yes.
We can just simply substitute the values on each of itself, sir. It will easily give the result. We don't need to put values. Like we need to find c power z, right?
Yes.
We have that b power y is equal to c, so we can substitute b power y
Yeah. I mean, yeah. B power y.
whole power z. Now we have b is equal to ax, so we have to
Yes.
replace it by ax power y power z, which gives axy z, which is equal to a. We have
Yes. That's correct. That's also correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Avikaran. Yeah. That's also the better way. Okay. That's the best way, in fact, over here in this question. Okay. But let's just try and understand what happens if we put in these numbers, right? Because I'm just fond of numbers, right?
Yes, we can do
So,
so.
so A is equal to 2 and X is equal to 2 also we have taken. So automatically your B is equal to 4 and now B is equal to 4, right? And let's take Y is equal to what? Let's take Y is equal to 1. Okay. We take Y is equal to 1, then C automatically becomes 4, right?
How about y is equal to 1 by, which makes the easy.
Yeah. It makes it easier, yes. But eventually it will come in. Okay. So if X, Y, Z is equal to 1, X is already 2, Y is already 1, then what is the value of Z? Z is 1 by 2, right?
Sir.
Z is 1 by 2 from this. Then C raised to the power Z is equal to what? C means what? 4. Z means what? 1 by 2, which is essentially is giving you 2. Okay. It's either the value of A and or X. Okay. But yeah, we will take another scenario as well over here. Okay. Another scenario also you will take wherein A and X are different numbers. Oh, so by taking that, we will able to differentiate over here that whether A or particularly X is the answer. But thankfully in the answer option, we don't have an X over here, right? What do we have over here? We only have X. Sorry, A. So A, first option is the correct answer, or otherwise the method that has been said by Avikaran, that's the basically the easiest one. Okay, if you do not want to make it complicated. But I'm of the person wherever I see variables, I try to put in numbers for fun. Right? because I just like it. Okay. Some people like working with the variables, but many of the cases over here, we were lucky enough to reach like this. Okay. But in the majority of the cases, the variables are just so confusing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But when you start knowing the numbers, start picking up numbers like this, when it starts striking you in your mind, uh, you won't be able to hold yourself other than using this. Even in trigonometry, I use, substitution. I use numbers. Wherever I find 10, I write 45. Whole of the question gets solved. And we are not writing board examinations, right? It's not a descriptive paper. Had it been, we would have thought. Yes, guys. Yeah. Do you want to solve it by doing some algebraic expression here and there, a plus b by a minus b, compondendo, dividendo, or you would like to think of some numbers? Think of AB, guys. It took me 1 minute to think. You also take 1 minute of your time to think what should be the value of a and b over here. Take your time. I'm going to fetch water. Just give me 1 moment, okay? Any breakthrough, guys? We did the first question like this. I mean, that was not technically the question number 1 per se, but that was the first question for the day that we solved. Can we think of a and b, some number? Yes, boys. Any breakthrough? Okay, your hint is number 16. How do you make number 16? You can do 15 plus 1. You can do 14 plus 2. You can do 13 plus 3. I'm just teasing you. Right? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
You can do like this. You can do like this. Or you can do, think, guys, think. One out of these is correct. Which number is that?
Sir, 10 plus 6.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct. That is the only thing you need to find out. The most of the cases by less than 25, you will get your value of a and b. That's it. Okay. So x is equal to root under a is equal to 10 and b is equal to what? 3 and not 6. No, sorry.
Sir.
B is equal to 2.
2.
Yes, b is equal to 2. Then only 10 plus 3 into 2 plus root under 10 minus 3 into 2 by 10 plus 3 into 2 minus 10 minus 3 into 2. Get me the value of x. Muilan, Mateshwaran, what is the value of x? You guys don't think I let you sleep. Come on. This time if you guys get abysmal results, Koman sir will say, thank you so much for your service, Gaurav. I really appreciate that. Now you can move. Right. Yeah. Tell me, what is the value of x? Muilan, Mateshwaran, are you there? Still in the event?
And suppose.
Yes, Muilan, Mateshwaran, what is the value of x?
8, sir.
Oh, value of x is 8. Ideally, it should have been 0. You know what I mean? Yeah. Anyways, so it is 16 for Abhikaran, is it right? X is not as valuable as 8. Muilan, she only has value of 3. That's it. I would have given her 0. Anyways, yeah. 16 is 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3. Right? X is 3. Now find out 3 into b into x square minus 2ax. Okay, let's have at least value of 3, 6. Now calculate and tell me what is the answer. What is the answer, boys? 66? No. How much is that? Is it 0, guys? Finally, 0. Is it 0, guys? Yes or no? I mean, you guys take this much time to solve this.
Yes, sir. 0.
27, 54 plus 6, 60. 3 into 2, 6 into 10 is 60. That's it, 0. Answer option B is correct. Clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell. I'm not going to solve this question for you. Tell. It's 10:39. and we still have a lot of questions to solve. Let's try to finish it off.
Sir, option A,
Yes, that's correct.
there's no need of pen and paper, sir.
Yeah, no need of pen and paper, right? Lokesh,
Yes, sir.
what is the answer? What's the answer, boys? Lokesh, is 60, sorry, is 90 correct answer?
Yes, sir. Option A, sir.
Yes. Why is it option A? Why is it option A? A general arranges his soldiers into rows to form a perfect square. Muilan, Mateshwaran, are you there? Are you there, buddy? Are you there? Yes or no? Yes or no, Muilan and Mateshwaran, are you there in the class? Come on, don't tell me at 11 o'clock in the night. I've just joined just for the sake of joining. Come on. It's 8160 minus 60 root under, which is 90. That's it. Okay. I would like to believe that Muilan and Mateshwaran, both of them are understanding and they can smash this question in the examination. I would like to believe that way. Yes, be positive. There is something contagious about positivity. Yes. This one,
57.
57. Yeah, that's correct. By looking at the answer option itself, we could have eliminated. Even if it was 40, the square of it would have given us somewhere around this. Even if it was 50, the square of it would have given us like this. The square of it would have given us something like this. So damn sure these three are not your answer. Only by looking at the answer option itself, we can conclude that 57 is the answer. Right? A group of students decided to collect as many paise from each members of the group as is the number of members. If the total collection amount is 32 rupees and 49 paise, then the number of members in the group is, okay, which means number of members in the group into paise, okay, and both are same basically, okay. So which is equal to 32.49. What we basically need to do is we need to find out the square root of it, and what we find that the square root of this is what? 5.7, right? But 5.7, we cannot have the person in 5.7, right? Okay. From here, not equal to sign, we can conclude that there must have been 57 students, right? Collecting 57 paise or 0.57 rupees each to get these numbers. Right, guys? Is it clear? If it is not clear, then no one can help you. I'm sorry. Yeah, maybe I can, but if you ask, yes, but you don't ask. Unless you ask, it will not be given to you. It's as simple as that. Yes, guys.
Option C, sir.
Gardener plants 17956 trees in such a way that there are as many rows as there are trees in the rows. Let's say 6 trees are there. That means there are only 6 rows are there. What is the total? Let's say only 5 are there. What is the total? 25. Let's say only 4 are there. 4 trees and 4 rows. What is the total? 16. Only 3 trees and 3 rows. Okay. Only 3 trees and 3 rows. That means 9. So what we need to find? We need to find the square root of it, and the square root of is 134. How to find the square root of it? I have told you 2 methods. One is the factorization, prime factorization method, and the second one is the division method. Right? If you do not know, please refer back. Or open your mouth and ask. Did you get it? Did you get it, guys? Am I too harsh on you guys?
I get it, sir.
Sometimes it makes me feel like, yeah, come on, like, did I say too much to these guys? No, I don't think so. What if these guys meet me in Chennai? Will they make me run or what? But I'm a long distance runner, you can't catch me. Anyways, what is the smallest number that must be added to 1780 to make it a perfect square? Let's pick up the smallest number. Let's make it 1780 plus 39. Muilan, Mateshwaran, your data is being wasted, buddy. Come on. Is it a perfect square? Is it a perfect square, guys? I don't think so. Or otherwise, let's just try and make it like this. Okay. 4 times 16, 180, 2. Okay. We'll get some number we'll get, but we know that it's not a perfect square, right? And this number is lesser than the square of 42 is lesser than 1780. So to find the smallest number that should be added over here, we will have to find 43 square. What is 43 square, guys? What is 43 square? 339, 12, 12, 24, 2, 16, 8, 849. So what we do, 849 minus 1780. How much is that? How much is that?
Option D, so 16.
Option D, yeah. Yes, this one. They have given 6 raised to the power A is equal to 2, 6 raised to the power B is equal to 5, and 6 raised to the power 8 is equal to 15. Sorry, it's not 8, it's Q. My bad. You guys also sleep like me. Then they have found out Q is equal to what? This is what they have found out. They have asked. Right? How will you proceed? Honestly speaking, I had to watch solution to this question. Yep. It was tough for me too. Let me accept it honestly and bluntly. Even if the value of A, B, C, even if the value of A was like 1, it would not have given us 2. Right? And we know root under 6 is not 2. Root under 6 is neither 5 also. Root under 6 is not 15 also. Root under 6 has to be less than 6 for sure. Then what? So we start with 15, number 15. It can be expressed in the form of 6 by 5. 6 into 5, right? And what is the value of 5? So that means 15 can also be written as 3 into 6 raised to the power B from here, right? And 3 is equal to what? 6 by 2, right? That means what? 6 by, what is the value of 2, right? What we want to do, we want to express it in the terms of 6, in the base 6. That means 3 is equal to 6 to the power 1 minus a, right? This is the value of 3. This is the value of 5. Can we write 15 is equal to 1 minus a into 6 minus b, right? Which is what? 15 is what again? 6 raised to the power cube is equal to 6 raised to the power 1 minus a plus b.
Yes, sir.
Is it? Now q is equal to 1 minus a plus b, right? So which one is the correct answer?
Option D, sir.
Yes, option D is the correct answer. Cool, clear? Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Yes, easy one. N is equal to 2 raised to the power 0.15 and n of b is equal to 16. Then b is equal to what? Yes, Avikaran, tell me how to solve this. Can we put this value of n over here? 2 raised to the power 0.15 b?
Sir,
Yes.
0.15 into b is equal to, which makes the equation we can solve it.
Yes. Is it correct?
Yes, sir, you are right, sir.
Can we write 0.15 b is equal to 4? Bases are same, right?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
No. That's why the powers will have to be equal. That means b is equal to 4 divided by 0.15. That means 400 by 15. How much is that? 80 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move to the next question, guys?
Yes, sir.
Let's finish it off before 11. No, it's only 3 minutes from now. Okay, no worries. We'll still be quick. 3 minutes, 3 questions. Yes. What do you think about this question, guys? Tell me first. First thing first. What is the value of a into b here? What is the value of a into b?
1, sir.
A into b is 1. Cool. That means ab is 1, right? Now, let's factorize a. I'm factorizing a. Over here, root 5 minus 1. So root 5 plus 1, root 5 plus 1, root 5 plus 1 whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b. How much is that? 4, right? 4, no.
Yes, sir.
Which is a basically value of a. You need to simplify it more. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4, which will essentially give you 3 plus root 5 by 2 is equal to a. Let's just keep it aside. Now let's just try to factorize b. Root 5 plus 1, root 5, sorry, this is minus 1, plus 1. How do you factorize? Denominator, we change the sign of the denominator, okay? Root 5 minus 1 whole square divided by 4, which will essentially give us 3 minus root 5 by 2. Is it clear? Same old thing, just change the sign over here from plus to minus. That's it. This is your b. Okay. Now over here, now let's just try to work it out. A square plus b square minus 1. Yes. How much is this? How much is this, guys? 14. How did we reach this number? 3 square 9, root 5 square 5, 9 plus 5 14, plus 3 into 2 6, root 5 by 2 plus 14 minus 6 root 5 plus 2. Should we write in denominator 2? No, we won't write, because essentially this 2 in denominator and this 2 in denominator both will get cancelled, right? Okay, 2 square over here it will be 4. Same over here, 14 plus 6 root 5 plus 14 minus 6 root 5 minus 4. This got this one got cancelled. 14 14 28 plus 4 32. 14 14 28 by minus 24. How much is that? 4 by 3. Right? Can you guys do these calculations at your own end?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you so much. Yes, this one, easy one. First, write down the question. Sometimes while solving, while practicing, write down the questions. It will give you clarity of thought. R raised to the power W, P raised to the power Z is equal to N. Can we assume some numbers? Or Ravikant, do you have some better way here? We might have some better way here, using some or other algebraic expression, shifting here and there, right and left substitution, this value and that value and this and those. But I'm personally not a big fan of it. Okay, right? Let's just assume some values. Okay, let's just put in 4 square. That means x is equal to 2, p is equal to 4, r 4. That means y is equal to how much? 4, r is equal to 2, which is equal to 16, right? And r raised to the power w. R is how much? 2. R raised to the power w. Let's take w is equal to 3 is equal to p raised to the power z. P raised to the power z. That means we need to also find the 4 raised to the power. Let's assume z is equal to 3 and let's assume a different value for w. Let's assume a different value for w. What is that? How do you make it 64? 6. Right? 6. What is option A? xw is equal to yz. xw is equal to yz. X is 2, w is 6, y is 4, z is 3. Yes, possible. X and z is equal to y and w. Is it possible? No. C, x plus y. X plus y is equal to w plus z. Is it possible? No. D.
Sir, option D, sir.
Option D. One moment. Yeah. X minus y. x minus y is equal to w minus z. Okay, so x minus y is how much? Minus 2 is equal to w minus z, which is equal to 3. Which answer option is correct?
D, sir.
D.
Yes, sir.
Why do you think that? Why do you think that? X minus y, x minus y. How much is that x minus y?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. And what is w minus z?
3, sir.
Is it equal? Now look at answer option 1. Now look at answer option 1. xw is equal to yz. X is 2, w is 6, y is 4, z is 3. Is it equal?
Yes, sir.
Which one is the correct option?
1, sir.
1. A. You
Sir,
have to be little shrewd.
sir, I
Little
have a
shrewd. Yeah. Now ask. Yes. You have to be little smart in choosing these numbers. I have purposefully chosen this number so that my calculation is easy. And I chose those numbers one after the another so that it completely fits into the jigsaw puzzle. Yeah. Ask Avikan. Yeah.
So the first equation give is p power x equal to r power y, right?
Yes.
Then we can take p power x by r power y is equal to 1.
P raised to the power x by r raised to the power y is equal to 1. Yes, we can take it.
Then same here, r power w by p plus z is equal to 1.
Yes. That's also
Then
correct.
can we equate this equation?
Yes, we can. Yes, we can equate these equations.
So, sir, you have written the same power, so you have to write p power x by r power y is equal to r power w.
Okay. Yeah.
Then we can swap the same base number on same side.
Same base number on the same side. Okay. So that means let's write it here.
Power
R power W plus
in
Y.
y is equal to
Ha.
p power
P raised to the power
x plus z.
X plus Z. So W plus Y is equal to X plus Z, you are saying, right?
Yes.
That means W minus Z is equal to,
No, sir, I think it will be
yeah,
wrong because r and p are not, they didn't say they are equal, right? So it won't possible. Sorry, sir.
R and P.
They didn't say R and P are same base, right? So we can able to equal it, right?
Yeah, exactly. We cannot do this from here.
I did the same mistake. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries. Happens, yeah. If you look at the solution, by looking at the solution, I was like, no, I'm not doing this way. I hate variables. Yes. 24th. I'm not going to solve this question. Tell the answer. Is A possible on any given day? 7 plus 10, 9, 12, 9, root 18, root 14. Which one is possible? Quick, guys, quick. Okay. Let's just do the square of it. How much it is? A square. Or you want me to do like this? I have no problem. I can sit for 12 o'clock. How much is this, guys? Quick, guys, quick. Save fast. It is 9 minus 2 root 14. Isn't it? By looking at the expression
Yes, sir.
itself, you should be able to say which is the correct answer. It's there in your screen. Say, yeah, yes, this one. Easy one. If we factorize it, if we factorize this one, in denominator, what will we have? In denominator, what will we have?
1, sir.
So, should we write?
No need, sir.
Okay. Why am I using bracket?
Sign, sir.
Hmm?
For the negative sign.
Yes. How did we reach from here to here? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If it is not, please go and learn factorization. These type of question, usually the answer is either 0 or minus 1. Now tell me.
Minus root 8 plus root 8. That's 2, sir. And for 7 root of 4, 6, 2, 5 drops. We left with 3 plus.
But over here, the answer is 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is why it is important to solve.
Yes, sir.
In a majority of the cases, the answers will be 0 or 1. But this type of things will also come into the picture. What is the answer option?
Option C, sir.
Yeah. Lokesh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Getting it?
Yes.
Cool. Mateshwaran Muilan, awake? Good morning. Yes, Mateshwaran. It's okay. No, I mean, ask me, I'll tell you again. No problem. Look, Lokesh, Mateshwaran, look. How did
Yes,
we
sir.
reach that? Look, I thought you guys slept. Look, this is the first expression, right? Mateshwaran, look.
Yes, sir.
Look, how did we reach that? I'm saying, okay, sir, okay, sir. I know you're not getting it. You study history. By the way, I've also studied philosophy. I'm a philosophy student and I'm teaching you mathematics. So we do factorization, right, Mateshwaran? When we do factorization, we take the same old value that we have in the denominator, but we change the sign. That's the only thing we do, right? We will change the sign. Everywhere we'll just change the sign. But we will multiply and divide by the same number and not a different number. Clear, Mateshwaran? Is it clear? Mateshwaran, I'm doing it just for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it clear now? I mean, this factorization, is it clear? Now, if you do the factorization for, let's say, this one, this value, I'm writing it over here. Numerator we will have like this. In the denominator, is it in the form of a plus b and a minus b, which
Yes,
will
sir.
essentially be a square minus b square, which means 9 minus 8. What will we get? 1.
1, sir.
Over here also we will be getting 1. Over
Yes,
here
sir.
also we will be getting 1.
1.
Over here also we will be getting 1. And over here also we will be getting 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Minus root 8 minus root 7 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus root 7 minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5 minus root 4. Okay. This got cancelled. Root 7 plus root 7 got cancelled. Plus root 6 minus root 6 got cancelled. Plus root 5 minus root 5 got cancelled. What are we left with? We are only left with root under 9 minus root under 4. Sorry, over here it's plus, not minus. Okay. How much is the value, Matesh?
5, sir.
Yes. Did you get it? Easy. It just
sir.
makes it just looks scary. And all the competitive exams, they have the same old pattern, the same old question they'll be asking again and again, again and again they'll be asking. Yeah. Yeah. This one. One moment. Yeah, this one. Look. Can we assume x is equal to 2 root how many times? Okay. 2 5 times, no? 3 4 5. Can we assume something like this? Can we assume something like this, guys? This square root gone, then over here square will come into the picture, right? So x square is equal to 2 1 2 3 4, right? Now this 2, let's just bring it over here. Okay. And now if this goes on to a toss, we will square this one. What are we left with? X raised to the power 4 by 4. That means 2 root under 1, 2 and 3. Now this will bring it over here. This will become 8, right? Now this one gone onto a toss. So we will square this, right? We will square this. So what will we get? X raised to the power 8, 64 into 2. We are taking this one over here. Okay. Root under 2, root under 2. How much is that? 128. Square of this 2 root 2, 8 raised to the power 16. That means 128 into 128. This 2 we have brought it over here, which is equal to 2. Once more we'll do a square. What do we get? X raised to 32, 128 128 into 2 and the square of it, that means 128 into 2, right, which is equal to 2. If you do not want to work out with numbers like 128, can you express it in the form of what? 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 2 raised to the power 7, right? So in the denominator, what do we have in the denominator? 7, 7, 14, 28, 2 raised to the power 31, right now, guys. I mean, you can calculate all this by yourself, right? 2 raised to the power 7 is 128, right? I'm just taking it all at the one particular point, right? Which means x is equal to 2 raised to the power 31, and this value will come into what? This value will come over here like this, 1 by 32. X raised to the power 32, 2 raised to the power 32. Both sides, let us say we multiplied by 1 by 32. What do we get? X is equal to 2 raised to the power 31 by 32. Do we get this? And what did we assume? We assumed x is equal to this value. X is equal to this value that we have in the question. What is the value of x, guys? Okay, which answer option is correct? Which answer option is correct, guys? Guys,
Yes, sir.
which answer option is correct?
Option D, sir.
Option D is correct, yes. Or if you do not want to do it like this, 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5. Okay. What we will do, instead of writing root 2, can we write as 2 raised to the power 1 by 2? Can we write it? Okay. Which means what? This entire thing will be 2 raised to the power 3 by 2, right? That means what? This will be your 2 raised to the power 3 by 4, right? Right now. Meaning what? Over here 1 is there, no? 1 plus 3 by 4, how much is that? Tell me. 1 plus 3 by 4 is how much? Is it 2 raised to the power 7 by 4? Yes or no? Is it like this? Yes or no, guys? Tell me. Yes or no? 7 by 8. Is it like 15 by 8 now? And is it like 15 by 16? Tell me. And is it like how much? 15 by 36 was there, no? Sorry, 36 I'm telling. 2. 15 by 16. 1 plus 15 by 16 is how much? 31 by 16. And this value, when you do that, what will we get? 2 raised to the power 31 by 32. Did you get it? Yes or no? Did you get it? Boys, did you
Yes,
get
sir.
it? Got it? If you did not get it, there is another way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. First, start from left, right hand side. Okay. Write down 2. Okay. It's over here, your root. So write down 1 by 2. Okay. Then you come across what? 2. That means plus 1. Okay. Then again, you have come across what? A root. That means 1 by 2. No, let's not go this way. Let's just do it that way only. It will get much more confusing for you guys. Yeah. Let's move. Shall we move to the last question for the day? Yeah. Let's solve it. This is nothing but 5. Do you guys have any problem if I write it like this? Root under 5 is what? 5 raised to the power 1 by 2. Is what? 5 raised to the power 1 by 3. Is what? 5 raised to the power 1 by 7. Like this. It's like this, guys. Do you guys have any problem if I write it like this? Tell me yes or no. Avikaran, sleeping?
No, sir. It's correct, sir.
And yeah, Lokesh, you're also sleeping. 1
Okay.
minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Into 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. That means like this. Which answer option is correct? Tell me. Muilan, are you there? Sleeping. This is the last question for the day. If you do not answer it, we'll start the next chapter right now. Now you will feel why the hell did I join the class? Come on. I just study for like 2.5 hours. That's it, no? We used to study for this much time during our AFCAT times also. No? Yes, guys, tell which one is the correct answer option. Muilan, are you there, buddy? Matesh, call Muilan and wake him.
Sir, yes, sir. I call him.
Yeah, wake him. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
point of joining the class? Yes, Muilan. 5 raised to the power minus 2. What is the answer? Sorry, 5 raised to the power minus 3. What is the answer? It means what? 5 will get into reciprocal. How much is this? Tell me this one. You need to tell the answer option A, B, or C. You can take help from your friends also.
Sir, 1/25, sir.
You sure? 25 is what? 25 is 5 into 5. 5 square only. It's 2 times. But 5 is 3 times, buddy. How much is this?
Sir, 1/125.
Yes, 1/125. Come on. If ever you get a chance to count the notes, like what? You will incur loss, buddy. You are counting less. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining. With this, we came to an end of this chapter. I'll let you know if we are having a class tomorrow morning or not. Till then, good night, sleep tight. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Take care.